Hey guys, welcome back. You can see the piece of missing veneer on the bottom section of the cabinet. I'll try to make another piece here and blend it in best I can and cover up the flaw. It should look a little bit better than it does now. A couple methods and procedures I've used in the past. Just take some aluminum foil. I can lay that down and actually create a template. You can see here as I go across it, and I just trace that pressure with my fingers. Another method and procedure is just take a piece of paper and actually just trace over the top of it. Either method works well and to get you in the ballpark, and then you can just do some light sanding to get your desired result. Now I kind of did this backwards. You guys saw where I just did a touch-up on the cabinet. So really what I did was take some lacquer thinner and take the existing toners and kind of blend them together and drag them across the cabinet. That's why you see these different shades of toner, a little darker here, lighter in certain areas. And then normally I would make my veneer repairs, of course, in advance and then go back with toner lacquers. In this case, here's my cutout piece. It's not exact yet. I still need to do a little more tweaking on it, but I've applied some toner lacquers to this piece, a blend of some red mahogany and a little bit of brown toners, and it's just a little darker than the existing shade because I'll be doing some light sanding on this as well on just this piece, so it should lighten up as I remove some of the toner lacquers. In addition, after I glue this down, I'll probably use some wax fill sticks to cover some of the gaps if necessary. So let me go ahead and get this glued in place, let it set up, and then I'll bring you guys back. A little glue on both sides, and I'll just go back with a damp rag and try to wipe off all the extra that leaks out. Let me get a damp rag here. I said rag, I'm going to just use a shop towel. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. You can see a little gap there. Again, many times I'll take these angles and just cut them off at a nice diagonal cut. In this case, I didn't do any trimming to the existing veneer that was broken, and I just tried to match it. So I do have some gaps there that I'll try to use the wax fill sticks in. And then I'll go back with a misty coat of toner lacquer as well to try to blend the finish in just a bit after, again, wiping this back down again with some lacquer thinner, just a very little on a rag. You can see I have an overlap off of the veneer piece that I put on. I'll sand it flat after this wood glue dries. Again, I'm just using a white glue. So not too bad really for doing the repair in reverse order. Again, normally with all the finish off, do the repairs, then do the stain or toner lacquers. So here I'm doing it just in the opposite direction, trying to preserve some of the original finish of the cabinet. I'll go ahead and let the glue dry for a little bit longer. And see if I can hide this just a bit. Before I do so, I'm going to get my wax fill sticks out and see if I can touch this up just a little better before applying the toner lacquers. Let's try different shades here. I might be able to somewhat blend this in just with the wax fill stick. And here's a look at the finish repair. Again, better method and procedure, of course, would be a complete strip, then your stains or toner lacquers, and then, of course, sanding, and then blending all your finishes together. Here I did it in the reverse order and tried to blend in my repair using the Mohawk fill sticks, different colors, and then applying a couple different shades of toner lacquers, just light misty coats over this area to make it match, or somewhat match, the existing finish. Thanks for watching, folks.